Rainfall Warning. Issued at Saturday 10:58 PM June 21, 2925. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description: heavy rain will continue tonight and Sunday night. Total rainfall amounts by Saturday night will range between 40 and 80 millimeters. Strong northerly winds will also develop on Saturday, with gusts of 60 to 80 kilometers per hour. With rain-soaked soils, these winds could result in some trees being uprooted. Hashtag. Heavy downpours can cause flash floods and water pooling on roads. Localized flooding in low-lying areas is possible. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to abstorm@ec.gc.ca, call 1-800-239-0484, or post reports on X using hashtag #abstorm. Recommended action: watch for possible washouts near rivers, creeks and culverts.